Hi, Sarah Banis here, Simply Sarah Made Easy. I have to show you guys something super neat. This is a game changer for making QR codes. Um, so let's get right to it. You can see the page that I'm on. This is Cricut for Beginners on Facebook. This is one of our many very large crafting groups on Facebook. I'll link this in the video description. Definitely join us there. You'll love it. But the only reason I have this up is because this is one of my socials. So it's something that I link often, right? So check this out. If you're on, Google or whatever, right click. You see this right here? Create QR code for the page. That simple. You download it. That's it. Copy or download. And that's all you have to do. How neat is that? And that's how easy it is to make a QR code. If this video was helpful to you, like the video. That helps me out a lot. Also, subscribe to my channel. Lots of amazing crafting videos, both materials, machines, and learning how to design for yourself. There's some really good videos coming up you're not going to want to miss out on. I hope you have a great day. Join us on Facebook. Bye.